You made me a journal with what on it? Hey, Dances with Pitbulls here. You know I'm making that quilt for somebody in Tennessee, right? She made me something. I can't believe it. And you're not going to believe it. It's a handmade journal. Guess what this is? Can you guess? It's bearskin. It's real bearskin, and this is a real bear claw. I kid you not. Are you kidding me? I'm like, what? Okay, this is the first journal she's ever made. Look at this. She watched some of my videos. She used the inside of security envelopes, scrapbook paper, cardstock, felt, cookbook pages. She used these as pockets. Oops. Anyway, she put some thread in there. Tissue paper. Sweet tooth omelet. What in the heck is that? Okay. Sherry, thank you so much. I am freaked out. Look at this. She saw my Canada money post. So she sent me a $2 coin. I didn't know there was such a thing. She hand bound it. This is the center. There's a cookbook page in here I want you to see. Looks like it. Check it out though. I mean, seriously. There it is. Hangover breakfast. I am shocked and thrilled and what have you. Look, she signed it. She embroidered her initials. And look at this. Where did you get this? I want some of that. Okay, it has a bookmark. And she said that these beads here were from her husband's grandmother's house. So how cool is that? So evidently she'd been watching my videos. And yeah, you might be cool, but you are not handmade journal with bear skin and a bear claw cool. There ain't no way. But I want to show you this. I got this today too, but I bought this. Check these out. Stamps, and they're like, I wonder if they glow in the dark, but see the flashy stuff on them? Yeah. Oh, and I did get, I got one more thing. I got this week from Kitty. Kitty loves me, you know. Check this out. She's taking care of Sabrina. 2 pieces. Way cool. She said, oh yeah, you may be getting some more Paris fabric. You can make her some something, but she wants this one just like it is. Dead by now. Also, Paris postcards. Did you go to Paris, Kitty? Did you go to Paris? Hello. Those kind of go with my new stamps. Tags. Okay. This thing. For my moon journal. To make a dangle. Maybe some of these and that. To make a dangle for the outside. Yes. Wine, will you be mine? Cupid is stupid. True besties. Girls rule. Love you, mean it. And sushi washi tape. Let's avocado. Barb, let's avocado. Way cool. Ooh, and shoes. Every girl's got to have some pumps like that. And she said I could read this. Is that my boyfriend? Oh, nope, there's my boyfriend. No, wait. Oh, that's Chief Joseph. I didn't know he had them big pierced ears. Okay. This is a cat box. Oh, cute. I gotta put that with my cat box stuff. Okay. Okay. Craig Gleason. How did you know I needed these? I love them. These are quilts. These are way cool. Eat our dust. Handmade quilt with recycled fabric. I love it. They're all made with recycled fabric. Okay, here's more of Craig's art. Oh, Craig. Boy, must you be so cool. Thank you, Kitty. I enjoy your packages so much. I'm going to read this story about him, too. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, let's open this. Oh, Kitty, you wanted... This has your name on it. Right there. How do you get into it? I know it's right here, but... Aha. Kitty, house it. Korea. Okay. Oh, it's a Turkish Angora. See, can you tell? Uh-oh. Okay. Be the box. Be the box. Oh, wait. Go in there like that. That is cute as heck. I'll fix it better. This is some glue or something. Okay. We'll look at this another day. I'm usually really good at putting boxes together. Okay. For more silliness, please subscribe. And I want to thank everybody. And yeah, just remember this. Just remember this. That I have a real bearskin book and you don't. So, bye. I'm back. I fixed it. It took some tape, but yeah, it's cute. Oh, and I forgot to show you my ring. This came with this. Whoops. It's a horseshoe nail. Come on, come on. There it is. So I can wear it there. Or I can wear it there. Or I might be able to wear it. Nope. Nope. Not there. On the left hand. Yep. Or there. But right now, did you notice this is different? This is my mother's also. Yeah. So, anyway, I just had to show you this, and now I must bid you adieu.